Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick that will help you find emails with attachments of a specific file type in Gmail. First things first, you need to open your Gmail inbox. You'll see a search bar at the top. It's like a magic wand for finding emails. Now let's say you're looking for emails with PDF attachments. You just simply type here. I will paste here. This one has and then colon attachment file name colon again and then PDF. So I don't have any emails that has attachment, but don't worry, I will still guide you and I will show you how to search it here in Gmail. So that's what you will type if you're looking for PDF attachments. So if you want a different file type like images or documents, no problem, because you just need to replace the PDF here with J with JPG if you're looking for images, or if you're looking for documents, you will replace this with doc. So if you're looking for something specific, for example, if you're getting too many results, you can narrow it down. You can add a keyword related to the email subject or sender. For example, has attachment file name PDF invoice. We'll find PDF attachments related to invoice. And you can combine also with other Gmail search tricks. So want to find PDFs from a specific sender? You can try adding here from and then type the email of the sender you're looking for. It's like being a Gmail detective. And that's it. You now know how to search for emails with attachments of a specific file type in Gmail. This trick is a game changer for finding those important files quickly. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on searching for specific file attachments in Gmail. See you on my next video.